And one of the things that I'm most interested in, maybe mostly just on a personal level, is where Americans, or when Americans made this decision that modern Hebrew and not Yiddish and not, sort of Ashkenazi-inflected Hebrew would be the Jewish language that we use here in America. Because it wasn't always that way, and it was a switch. You know what I mean? Like, synagogues changed their names to reflect, modern Hebrew pronunciations, which in the end kind of then got a little bit bastardized to be an Americanized version of the modern Hebrew pronunciation, but it's still super fascinating. And the way that, Americans think about Hebrew as this sort of like ancient language, because in some ways it is, but in other ways it really isn't. So it's sort of this way of buying into this construction of a history that is focusing on Israel rather than the Lower East Side or Eastern Europe.